Here's a quick look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader for Friday, August the 21st. We always like to start with our market profiles, and what we're showing here, of course, is today's market profile, and this is yesterday's market profile. So every market profile is a lettered market profile and a volume profile. You can see the volume, the shaded area in behind. This one right here is the overnight session. So that starts at 4:30 p.m. and ends at 9:30 a.m. The regular trading hours are from 9:30 to 4:15 Eastern Time. So we had the continuation up. Yesterday we were mentioning that we were looking at an area of around 1,000 as support, and then even going down to yesterday's low. You can see it didn't get that far overnight. It did dip below the 1,000 area, but did not stay there very long. Rallied up overnight and had a good move late in the overnight session or the Globex session. Had a nice positive close here, some 4 or 5 points, I believe it was, from 6 points gap from yesterday's high. So very bullish, and then the market was quickly bought up after it paused for the first 30 minutes until the news was released. Combination of the Philly Fed, existing home sales, and Ben Bernanke speaking. So market took that as a big positive and really started to move higher. Here's our filter from today. You can see it started out neutral, of course, and then turned bullish almost as soon as the news came out. You can see the green bar starting right there, and then are strongly bullish for the rest of the day. So using that, we had other opportunities to make trades that our members will use from the perspective of trading in concert with our 1-minute day structure, our 1-minute software, and our directional bias filter. See, now these are the individual days, and you can see that this week the market obviously had a nice run up. I mean, this was Monday. We had the gap down Monday morning. It just kind of hovered there, not a big day within the day session, and then basically had been bought up. It came in a little bit first thing Wednesday morning and then bought up. So this is all of last week in here, so you can see we tested below it, now we've closed above it. So another bullish indication the market wants to go higher. You can see our individual software here. We had some traders who were using our balance areas and other tools to get long very early in the session, right after it had a deceleration right here. Others would have waited to get in here. Some got in way up here, in which case it moved against them before it rallied up. We had another indication to get long here, which had a nice move. And then later in the day, when the market went up and made another new high, we got in again here, reaching 5 ticks in our favor. So break even on that. May have been a small loss depending on how our traders managed that, but came down right to our entry price, taken out just by a tick on a buy limit, and then rallying. So on the whole, we had some good success with our trades today. The systematic trades were okay, not a big gain there, but certainly with our traders understanding our methodology and way we look at the markets and this auction process, and using the tools that we have with our 1-minute software, makes the market very, very readable. And it's always good to get back some good comments from some of our members who have really started to click with this. Usually takes a little bit of time, but because we're really trying to bridge the discretionary and the non-discretionary, and the non-discretionary, in other words, systematic trading, obviously is very, very difficult to do. Because you're totally eliminating the art or the market feel side. You're just strictly going on numbers kind of thing. Very, very difficult to do that on a consistent basis. You always want to have that little bit of touch in there. And that's what most of our traders find after listening to our videos that we post every day. They usually last about 15 or 20 minutes, and they really get into much more detail as far as not just the exact trades and so on, but what was the market really doing, where was it testing, where was it accepting, in what fashion was it doing those kinds of activities, and where was it doing within the context of the current day and the previous days. So putting all that in together after a period of time, our traders find that they really start to understand the market's behavior much better and can really enhance the core systematic trades that we actually have. So if you're at all interested in what we're doing and how we're looking in the market, we'd love to hear from you. Our address is info@eMiniDayTrader.com, and we'd love to hear from you. So any questions or comments, just send us an email. Other than that, have a great weekend, and that'll be it for Friday, August the 21st, 2009.